Maua Methodist Hospital is located in the eastern province of Kenya, close to Mount Kenya. It is a Christian organization committed to providing affordable, high-quality healthcare services by competent professionals. This can only be done through the power of the Holy Spirit. The hospital exists to glorify God and is an outreach ministry of the Methodist Church in Kenya. Maua Methodist Hospital offers both inpatient care and outpatient care to those in physical need. It also has a community health department, including a palliative program, and a school of nursing. Each of these areas are managed by extremely qualified staff who are all committed Christians and see their work as an extension of their faith and service to Jesus Christ. Maua Methodist Hospital offers numerous outpatient clinics, including surgical, medical, palliative, diabetes and hypertension, gynecological clinics, maternity, ENT, psychiatric, epileptic, pediatric, eye, and dental clinics. There are 9 rooms for consultation. In addition, the OPD trauma room is open 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. The hospital has a 275 bed capacity, and most of the time they operate at 70 to 85% of this. However, they are sometimes forced to operate at overcapacity. The inpatient aspect of the hospital includes a pediatric ward, a medical ward, isolation unit, a surgical unit with a theater, a maternity ward, and a burns unit. In addition, the hospital has a full pharmacy, medical store, and the only cold storage unit for the deceased in the region. The staff works extremely hard, with each nurse assigned as many as 10 patients during the day. In 1977, Maua Methodist Hospital opened their community health department. Since that time, the department has grown to offer maternity, child, and family planning, including child immunizations, a palliative care program which offers assistance to those living with AIDS and other terminal diseases, and they are also working to help the large numbers of orphans in the community as a result of the AIDS crisis. Currently, nearly 2,000 children are being looked after for emergency food relief, and 500 are being supported for school uniforms, shoes, outpatient health care, and other school fees that are needed. There are also opportunities for apprenticeship programs and job support, including funding to start small businesses. This program is appropriately named the Giving Hope Program. The community health program travels into hard-to-reach areas with very bad roads, and they are always needing more vehicles to travel on these roads. They also train volunteers in the community to educate their own community on prevention of disease. They are also working to decrease the impact that malaria has had on the local area through education, clinics, and by supplying mosquito netting to those who cannot afford it. The School of Nursing trains Kenya-registered community health students with a 3.5-year program that includes general nursing, reproductive health, community health nursing, and other areas. Total enrollment is 100 students, with the program expanding all the time. All of the students live on the hospital compound, which is a requirement for enrollment. The program involves theoretical and practical components. The cost is 120,000 Kenya shillings per year. Scholarships are available through the International Christian Scholarship Foundation based in California and through the United Methodist Church. But strong family and church support is mandatory. The school almost always sees 100% of students pass the licensure exam each year. The school recruits its students from the 10 synods of the Methodist Church of Kenya, yet they will take Christians from other denominations if there is room available. The Christian faith is at the center of everything that takes place at Maua Methodist Hospital. In fact, for the students, the staff, and the mission volunteers, every workday begins with a chapel service. The hospital employs 2 full-time ordained Methodist ministers as chaplains and 2 evangelists who pray and counsel with the patients and their visitors. It is also their role to help the staff, students, and volunteers to remember the importance of their Christian faith in everything that they do. In Matthew 25, we read that Jesus said, "Whenever you help the least and neediest among us, you have done it to me." The people at Maua Methodist Hospital are serving Jesus one person at a time. Maua Methodist Hospital exists only by the grace of God and is growing every day to better serve the needs of the people in this area of Kenya. Yet, in order to continue its work, it depends heavily upon the donations of outside sources, including the United Methodist Church, the British Methodist Church, the United States government, private organizations, concerned individuals, and mission volunteers. Please consider donating to this ongoing work of God through the Methodist Church in Kenya.